Hey guys, don't know if you'll be able to hear me over this wind, but this is the wind here in the San Luis Valley today. Don't have any reception out here, but I figured I'd do a video of the wind. You can see the storm system back there. We can zoom in on that a little bit. So you can see the storm back in that cut. Zoom back out here. Wind's dying down a little bit, but yeah, it's really windy out here today. Full off. Gorgeous weather. That wind is just something else when it kicks up. Hope everybody is having a great day. Get out and live to live and enjoy the weather, no matter what it's like. Just that video in a while now. Showing you guys how bad this wind is today. Everybody enjoy your day. Peace out till the next one.